Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to encode your PDF file into base64 code inside HTML2 PDF JS library. So I have written the complete blog post on this topic, that how to encode your PDF document file into base64 data URL or code using output PDF method in JavaScript using HTML to PDF JS library. So in the result, you will see this base64 code which will be generated out of your PDF file. So now to build this application, it is very much easy here. Let me just go to the desktops directory, go to the projects directory, and here I will make our HTML to PDF project directory. I will cd into this HTML to PDF project. So let me just make a new directory here, HTML to PDF. It already exists, so let me go into this directory. And I will open inside the Visual Studio Code text editor. You will see this is the text editor. So simply you need to make index.html file, guys, inside your text editor, and just write the boilerplate code of HTML. Just change the title, encode PDF file to base64 data URL inside HTML to PDF JS library. So now guys, first of all, as you know, HTML to PDF JS is a famous library. So just write HTML to PDF JS. And the very first link which comes in, this you can see, this is the link here. This is their official website. Basically, this is the client-side HTML to PDF rendering library, which uses pure JavaScript. And we only needed CDN, so content delivery network. So simply click CDN, and simply we will include this CDN. So just copy this CDN file link here after the body tag. Simply copy this. So we have successfully copy pasted the CDN of this. So now we can simply have a div tag which we can give a ID to it of root, and here we can write anything inside paragraph. This is a paragraph, and then we can have a link also, href link, which will go to, let's suppose, google.com. So we have some data to show inside PDF document, so that is why I'm writing here. We can also have a heading as well. This is a heading like this. And after that, guys, what you need to do is that in order to generate a PDF document, it is very simple. We will just make a script tag once again, custom script JavaScript. So as you know, we will be using the output PDF method of HTML to PDF library. So this is very simple. What you need to do is that you need to call HTML to PDF library. Simply call it. And after calling this, what you need to do is that you need to use the from method, and inside this you need to pass the element to which you will be converting. So here I have given the ID to it of root element. Here you will see to the div element. So I will simply pass the ID, that's it. And then we will use the output.pdf method. So as you will see, we will use this output PDF method, output PDF. And after that, we will use then here for the promise. That's it. So this will return the URL for us. So we can simply print the URL in the console. So we can say console log URL. That's it. Now we can run the application open with live server. So what you will see, this is the heading here. Simply if I inspect element and go to console, so it is saying some error has taken place. Let me just see. Oh, sorry. This is a promise function here, and now we need to convert this to by using btoa method, and here we need to pass the URL. So this will convert it to a base64 URL. That's it. So if I again open with live server, you will see in the console. So this is a base64 code, guys. You can see this is the whole base64 code here. So here you can just store this, and also you can convert this to a PDF document as well. I will show you how to do this. So you can just save this base64 code here. Let me just create a variable base64, and you can store this by using this method b2a URL. That's it. And now using this base64 code, guys, you can open this PDF file. So just inside Google, just write open PDF file using base64 code. So if you do that, how to display base64 encoded PDF, you will see this. Uh, yes, let me just see. I'm just saying it and how to do this. So I think this is a, you can just see here. If I paste it here, so you will see. So just wait here. I am just, you can see I have called this custom function here. You can just see. And here we have passed the base64 code here. You will see base64 code we have passed, and we have provided the content type application slash PDF. And then we are creating the iframe tag here. That's it. So this will convert the base64 code, which is generated in HTML to PDF, which into this URL that we can display. If I once again open with live server, so again if I go to inspect element, so it is saying URL has already been declared. So we need to make this as URL2 like this. That's it. Now it should fix the problem. So now you will see that, guys, it has successfully converted that base64 code, and now you can simply display your PDF file inside iframe tag here. This is, you can see, you can also download the PDF file. Simply click the download button, and this is page 1. You can see you can also have the controls as well. You can save this file as PDF file as well, like this. Simply click save. You can also print this also like this. So in this way, guys, you can convert your you can convert your PDF file to base64 code, and then you can also convert your base64 to PDF file. We have done using HTML to PDF library. This is a very famous client-side PDF library in JavaScript. We have done all this stuff in JavaScript. I have given the link in the video description for all the source code that I have written here. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the video description link of my blog post to get all the source code. I will be seeing you in the next video.